Hello everybody! Today in this video, I show you how to make a tissue roll holder. I have not buy yet, so that's why I'm going to make a DIY, do it yourself. Here are the materials needed first. I have here a hanger. Make sure that you have this kind of style of a hanger, which is stable on the bottom part like this. And also you have to prepare a ball pen with a rubber, because this rubber is very useful. And the third one is a scissor used to cut. So I will show you. Make sure it properly. So after separating, you have to use this ball pen. You have to remove this. And this rubber is very useful. I have to insert our tissue. So all you have to do is to insert carefully. Use this rubber. Just like that. Oh, it's perfect. And then in order to intact each other, you have to do this like that. Alright. How about if I will use more tissue? All you have to do is to remove carefully. And that's it. This is my DIY tissue roll holder. And now here we are inside the comfort room. And that's it.